Hi food lovers! Today's recipe is a mouth-watering egusi soup packed with bold flavors and made step by step. Let's get started. Here are the ingredients that we're going to be needing for this recipe. Right into a clean pot, I went in with my washed goat meat, some washed and clean chicken. Feel free to use any protein of choice. I went in with some clean stockfish, okay? Yeah, I now add in my chopped onions. For today's voiceover, please make una take am like this. I wanna water go. I have some cold, okay? So I added some crayfish. Now I add in some salt to taste, some seasoning cubes. Okay, feel free to use any seasonings of choice. I added some water that I got from my cooked stockfish, okay? Give it a nice cover and continue cooking at least 60 to 70% done, okay? Beautiful people, if today is your first time coming across this channel, thank you so much. Please do what to support us. Subscribe to the channel, like, share, comment and also turn on your notification bell for more amazing food recipes. To my returning subscribers, God bless you all. I really appreciate. So over here guys, we have our melon seed. That is our egusi seed, okay? Make sure to pick out the ones that is not good and the stones there so that you don't end up regretting eating your egusi soup, okay? That's anything that is going to stop you from enjoying your egusi soup. So you have to take everything out, okay? So yeah, transfer it in a blender and blend until it is smooth, just the way you are seeing here on the screen. Okay, let's go back to the pot to check. Yeah, over here the meat is almost, yeah, it's done. So I want to use the same pot, so I have to take it out. Yeah, in the same pot I'm going to be adding my red palm oil. Okay, you're gonna heat it a little. Once it is done, you add little salt, some chopped onions, give it a nice stir. Okay, make sure you cook on a low to medium heat. I went in with some blended egusi. Yeah, we have different ways of making egusi soup, and this is one of my favorite method of cooking egusi soup. Okay, make sure the heat is on low, yeah, so you don't end up with burnt egusi, and keep stirring just the way you are seeing here on the screen. Okay, you keep stirring, 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 yeah, to make sure it is well mixed with the red palm oil. Yes.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Mira, mira de cool. With love in our hand. You go taste time. You go understand. Oh, mira. She know they rush, she they move soft. Fire low, but her heart they hot. Tomato sweet, like pepper right. She dey cook peace for your night. She dey chop small, dance small.
Over here you can see that I've stirred it for like about yeah, 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, and I went in with little stock water, little by little. Yeah, I stirred but not thoroughly anyways. Okay, so once done I'm going to cover it on a low heat. When I mean the lowest of my cooker, yeah, so cover it and allow the egusi to cook properly for like 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, this is what we have. Guys, honestly, don't mind my voice today. Yeah, it is well. So I gave it a nice stir, just the way you are seeing here on the screen. Okay, so the next I went in with my proteins. Yeah, add the cooked meats. Yeah, all the orishirishis that you have. This is the time to add them. Once you add, you give it a nice stir. Okay.
You go taste them, you go feel. Say this kitchen love be real.
So remember the first stockfish that I added was the stockfish head. Yeah, now I went in with the rest of the stockfish. I added my melted ope, some seasoned cubes, uzuza powder. I love it a lot in my egusi soup. Yeah, I now went in with my blended crayfish armor. You need to be generous, okay? I now added my fresh pepper. Of course, this is what I added here now. I added some achi. That is how hubby almost love enjoying his own egusi soup. Yes, I added achi powder, so this is totally optional. You can skip yours, okay? So it was too thick. I added some water to it. Add to your desired consistency, right? Give it a nice stir.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
After all the stirring scenes, cover and brings to a boil. So next, for the choice of vegetable, I'm going to be using spinach. Yes, so the spinach is well cleaned. Okay, now cut to your desired size. Yeah, that's what I did here, and that's what I did. So next, back to the pot. Voila! The aroma coming out from this kitchen. We are not done yet, too. But the aroma alone, you cannot resist it. So I went in with my grilled mackerel fish. Yeah, stir gently.
MIRA'S kitchen where so the rest. A food.
Now it's time to add in the vegetables. Okay, so I added some spinach. Yeah, add to your desired quantity. Yeah, you add to your taste. So I added, you add, you stir. So once done, cover the pots and bring to a boil for some minutes now. Yeah, voila. Yes, so our egusi soup is ready. Is ready. So turn off the cooker and you're good to go. Our delicious egusi soup is ready. Serve and enjoy. Alright, enjoy with any swallow of choice. This tasted so super delicious. Hope you try out this recipe. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.